Today I will show you Onkyo HT S3910 Receiver review video. Onkyo manufactures a wide variety of home theater receiver best with different price ranges depending on your pocket. Starting from the RZ series and many more, they take the lead and produce these receivers wholeheartedly. But many people claim that the TX series takes the edge because of the designed notch features. This receiver is built with 4 HDMI ports with an ARC-enabled output that can support 4K, 60p videos. That means you can easily connect your viewers with a single cable to the AV installation. This feature is linked with the 4K HDR Ready that works in Unity to display a new media on the screen using a remote control. Onkyo HT S3910 has an Onkyo Dolby Atmos height that is essential in the perfect listening experience. Also, it is vital in height effect from traditional speaker layout and building a virtual surround. This Onkyo Atmos receiver has a Dolby Atmos enabled with a DTS:X sound, and it is object-based that allows music to play in any speaker. It is mixed in a 3D space that helps in tracking the action, placing unusual sounds around your home. Pros. It is built with Dolby Atmos with a DTS playback. Supports 155 watts per channel. It is Bluetooth enabled. Powerhouse movie performance. It features a full sound that will make your home lively from boredom to the dramatic situation. Also, many people love it as it is Bluetooth enabled and compatible, allowing you to connect your PC and tablet and begin the playback seamlessly.